Creative Productions! Ding!
Hey guys! Welcome back to another video.
In today's video,
I hate this so much. We're going to be doing the twin telepathy challenge with slime.
so we're going to do 2 rounds, one based on what Beth would do and one based on what I would do.
So, wait, let me move backwards a bit.
So the first round is going to be based on what Beth would do. So let's get straight into the video.
We're not twins, just saying, so yeah. And I'm sitting on the blanket to make it stay, so that's why I couldn't jump in and stuff. But yeah.
Okay, so the first thing is glue. So we have 3 different types of glue.
And we're going to just do the one which we think the person will choose. I've got my handy dandy spatula here to mix.
I've got a spoon that I found in the cutlery drawer yesterday.
I'm excited about this because I found it. My auntie gave it to me and I love it.
Okay, so first of all, glue.
I'm going to be using this glue. Wait, don't look at the camera.
No, I
otherwise you're
won't.
going to see.
I won't. It's this thing. I hope it's this one.
Yeah, I'm hoping that we've got this one right. I'm going to leave a bit of gap just in case.
Okay, I think that's good.
Right, so I've got this in my pot.
I've got this one in my pot.
I'm just going to you know, mix it because I love mixing.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Right, okay. So the first add-in option is going to be colour. And I'm going to put 3 colours out and we're going to be able to see which one we're going to choose. So I'm going to 2 seconds, you guys. I'm not looking.
You can't tell anyway.
No, I can't see. Right, okay. So I've put some colours down. I'm going to keep my eyes shut while Ella chooses the colour she's going to use, which she thinks that I would use.
Oh, this is so wrong. Oh, maybe not this one though.
And then I'll do the same and I'll choose which one I will use. Cause,
I'm going to use this. I'm using this colour. Hang on, let me just squirt it into my container.
Oh no, I'm running out of glue. I'm so sad. But I'm actually really not. This is my favourite glue.
Wait, because it won't.
No, I'm looking for the donut mixtures.
I can't get the paint out.
Well,
Oh my god, this paint has a huge hole in it.
Yeah, yeah. You need to do it from the top, all of them.
Yeah, I just gathered because I've got a huge clump of paint on my finger.
Oh, lovely.
Okay, go. She'll go to choose what you would choose.
I'm gonna use this one, I think.
I'm really scared.
I'm gonna use this one
I'm gonna mix the colour into my glue.
because I really like this colour.
God, my hand is gonna be stained at that colour.
I just hope this is the same one that Ella chose. This is such a nice colour.
Oh god.
Oh my goodness.
I don't think we chose the same.
I love it so much.
Okay,
Look at it.
I'm just mixing it. So this is the colour I used.
This is the colour I used.
Mine will not be the same as yours, I can already.
Oh god. Right, okay. I'm just going to move all the paints.
I don't think we
The
chose.
yellow one is so much messier than all the others. Can't believe it. Next choice of add-in is foam. So inside the bag there is a larger foam ball and then you have to squish the pillow to get the smaller ones out and then you can choose none. So I'm going to shut my eyes while Ella chooses.
I think I just got paint on my face.
I'll check when we're done.
Yeah, I don't know how
This is such a nice colour. I'm so happy. I can't believe I didn't know where this paint was.
this is going to be 100% wrong.
For any of the rounds, you can choose what not to use. You can choose not to put any paint in, not to put any of this stuff in, if you want.
Okay, so this is what I added to my slime. Okay. Back in. Okay, right. Take the bag.
So I think I'm going to add these into my slime.
I think I actually just got paint on my face.
I'll check in a sec.
Oh God, help us all.
I'm gonna add these into my slime. This is quite a clean slime experience so far. I haven't made a lot of mess.
I've probably got it on my face, probably got it like halfway in my eyebrow. You never know, do you?
Right, okay. So there we go. I've added, I'm just gonna mix, but be really careful because these fly everywhere. I don't know if we've got the same thing. I don't
think we do.
Neither do I, honestly.
But I went on what I think you'd choose, but I know it's not the same.
Right, okay. So the last add-in is gonna be this. Oh gosh, wow. This or nothing. So take your pick while I'm not looking.
So I am going to add this, because I feel like Beth would add that. But I'm not really sure.
I'm not looking.
Okay. I think that was a bad choice. Okay. Right, you'll go.
I'm going to add this because I really like this.
Okay.
I'm really hoping that it's not going to change much because, yeah. These are probably things you should add at the end, so I think I'm kind of regretting my choice a little bit. I think I should have added it at the end, but it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna... So now the last thing is left to do is to activate these. So
we use borax and we're not changing, so there's no choice.
whoa! We don't really have any kind of other type of activator we use. We used to use air freshener, but as soon as we found borax, we were like, Queef, yes, let's use borax.
Okay, so now I'm gonna activate it.
This glue activates quite quickly, so I'm really hoping I don't overactivate this because this is such a nice slime.
It was until I added the last thing.
Oh, did you do the same as me? Because I'm really struggling to mix it in.
Oh, I don't think we did the same thing.
Because I don't really know, like...
Oh, God.
I'm not looking, don't you worry.
Oh God, I just knocked my words out. Okay, I can tell already. It's not the same because you wouldn't have done what I did.
I don't think we've got the same because I think my last thing is really difficult to mix in.
Oh, now you're just confusing me.
But like, I don't really know whether we've chosen the same or if we're different. Like,
this is taking forever to activate. Just
this is going to be fun to see what we thought like each other would like, because like we have slime all the time when we play out together, and I feel like we should just know, but I don't think we do, I have to admit.
Okay, so I'm just gone into need.
Oh really? I haven't. I'm just like slapping it against the pot with my spatula.
Okay, it's in a borax puddle, so I did a Beth, so it's fine.
See, I'm doing an Ella and I'm adding really slowly so I don't overactivate.
Do you know what? I just weren't holding the bottle properly.
And plus, yours activates so strong.
Yeah, it actually is.
This is going to be so hard to knead, I can already tell.
Oh God, I don't think I'm the same. Actually, I 100%, I can like bet like...
Oh my God, this feels so good.
Okay, I think I've overactivated mine, but never mind.
I've never felt texture like this.
Okay, right. Actually quite a nice slime though.
I'm just going to run and quickly get something to play with my slime on.
Yeah.
I'll be like 1 second, you guys. I'm not looking either.
Okay. So mine is this colour. It's yellow with gold glitter and medium foam beads. It's a little bit overactivated, but you know, we were going with a Beth and she always
Not looking, guys. Don't worry.
I did a U, I even overactivated it. I did the challenge to the extreme.
You did, you made it just like mine. Although actually mine isn't overactivated this time.
I really don't think this is the same.
Mine's so pretty, I love it.
I thought mine was pretty, but I know it's not.
Mine's so amazing, I really like it.
Okay, mine's overactivated, which is fine because Beth always overactivates her slime.
I'm completely done with my slime.
Dumb.
Done.
Okay, wait, I just need to knead a little bit more. Okay, hang on, let me just get the chunk of grass out.
Oh god, did you drop it?
No, I put my spoon on the grass and then mixed it.
That's really clever.
Okay, right, I'm done.
Me too. Right, should we look?
Wait, let's show the camera first. You show yours first, I won't look.
This is my slime, you guys. Wait, I'll go a bit closer. Just please don't look.
I won't. Don't look at mine.
I'm not gonna look. So this is my slime, you guys. It's got these in it and stuff. I'll explain more in a minute. Right, you can go look.
Okay, don't look. This is mine. It's this colour. It's got that in it and it's actually really bad.
Okay. Ready?
No.
Face me, like, and then I'll just put the blindfold on my head. Ready?
Go.
Oh God. Right. Well, mine is made with hobby glue.
Yeah.
Mine has got medium flame beads in it. Mine has got blue paint in it.
No.
And it's got golden glitter in it.
I thought it was black. I didn't see it, but you know. Mine's yellow, it's overactivated, and it's just perfect, you know?
Actually, that doesn't look too bad. Do you want to swap and see if they feel anywhere similar?
Okay. Yours is...
Oh, I like the glitter. I added glitter into mine too. The only thing we got wrong with was the colour, which is actually quite good. But yeah, I think we're going to move on to the next round.
I would have
now.
thought you wouldn't have went yellow because you have quite a few yellows.
Blue is my favourite colour though.
Oh. I
This
thought
blue paint was amazing.
I thought it was turquoise, but you know.
You just said it, you thought it was black earlier.
Yeah,
oh,
no,
no, my favourite colour
Yeah.
is like bluey turquoise. It just depends.
Okay. So now are we doing it on what I would do?
Yeah, let me just put this away.
Okay.
Yeah, well, I don't have a lid for a container. Right, there we go.
Okay, well,
My container lid is disgusting. Right, ready?
hang on, let me put that one away. Round 2. This one is based on what I would do. So, let's go.
That's going next.
So first we've got 3 glues. We've got a clear glue, a washable PVA glue and a hobby glue. So, okay, oh this is confusing. Okay.
Just
What-
do what you would do.
So if I had these in front of me, what I would do?
Yeah,
Okay.
you do have them in front of you.
I know. Okay, I think I'm gonna do.
I think that's what I'm going to do.
Okay, right, just put all that in there. Whoops. Mine's gonna be a bit bigger than anticipated.
The paints are there ready.
No, you have to choose first.
Yeah, I know, that's the thing. I think she'd go for this one. Although I'm not sure.
I already don't think we have the same.
I don't think we have the same at all, and I think I'm really disappointed because I know why. And I feel like I know what you're going to do that's completely different to me. My paint's back.
Okay, do I get to choose?
Yep. I feel like you're not going to use paint. Okay, yeah, I really am happy that I made this choice though.
no. Okay, so I've just added my paint, so I'm gonna put them back.
Okay, so the next option is once again out of foam beads. So I have to go first.
I'm just mixing mine. Oh my god.
Right, I feel like Ella would choose these. I feel like this would be Ella's choice, so I'm just going to add a few of them. And by a few, I mean quite a lot.
What are you saying? I add a lot of stuff.
No, but I'm just going to, I'm just going to add a few of them. And by a few, no, because sometimes when you say a few, like, you mean quite a lot. Right, just don't look on my side because you'll know straight away.
Okay.
Something
Look
happened.
down. Oh my god. Didn't mean to do that. When I moved it, there might be a few different things in it.
Yeah, I mean, I've got a few of the variety in it. Oh my god, it's just spilled all the way over.
I'm just gonna add some of these.
I'm just gonna add a bit more of my glue because my slime isn't very big.
Okay, I finished.
And I'm quite disappointed.
I'm just gonna mix the stuff I had just added in.
I've just tried to do that and it's not working. It's just spilled all the way over the edge.
Okay, mine looks quite good.
Right, so we're going to have the same options again. We've got this, or none. I'm going to add this.
Now I'm really scared because I don't think we've got the same. Mine's actually really nice.
I'm going to wait this time. Right, there you go.
Okay.
Mine's super pretty.
I'm gonna add this. Oh god, why isn't it coming out? Okay, there we go. Right. Hang on. Right, I've finished. Should we add activator?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Sorry
now
about the blanket, guys. It's really windy. I'm not looking. Don't look.
I'm not looking, don't you worry. Okay, so now I'm going to activate my slam. I'm going to activate it how I would activate.
I'm going to activate how Ella would activate. So it's going to be so slow activation. It's going to take me about half an hour.
I don't activate that slow.
No, but in my books, like, by the time I've done activating your slime, you've barely even started. My hands are in and you've just added your first little bit.
I'm very patient.
Yeah, I'm really an impatient person.
Oh my god, this is so pretty.
My hands are in there already, oh my god.
Why not?
My glue isn't activating.
Oh my god.
Oh wait, yeah it is. I just had to add a lot. My activator's so weak.
Mine is so strong.
Once again, I've done an Ella with some weak activator.
I don't do weak activator.
You do though, your activator's always weaker than mine, although today it's completely different.
Yeah, it's super
This
strong.
is actually quite pretty,
Mine, I like it.
although I don't think we've done the same. I have like a sinking feeling we've done completely different.
I think it'll be similar, or however you say the word.
Yeah.
But I don't think it'll be like perfect because I have very different views.
See, I think that I might have mine spot on, although I think we've possibly got them different.
Okay, I'm now kneading mine.
I've been Ah, don't look!
I can't look there.
Wait, let me just sit on this.
Yeah.
I've got slime all over the blanket.
Oh god.
Mine is on the non-stick side.
Right.
Oh, I just found a lovely chunk of paint. That was nice for me to knead in.
Mine is a little bit overactivated.
Mine's quite underactivated. I just need to keep activating it slowly. And not activating it how I activate, which is so difficult. Oh, wait, I need to do it. Beth, it's so sticky. You told me to knead it, but it's not ready.
Yeah, you always do. You tell me to knead it, and I weren't even ready to do it.
Yeah, but you knead and then you just stop and then you add the activator and you knead again. That's how I did it.
Yeah, that's how you.
I feel like we've got really similar slimes. Like the more I look at this, the more I think, wow.
I hope it's kind of the same. I hope. I hope it's
No,
the
it's
same.
not. But we're filming a video, Mum. So if you don't mind.
Can I be in it?
All right then. Just please don't let us see each other's slime.
I'm joking. You're alright.
Did Dad win?
Yeah, they did 1-0. Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay. Do you want to show your slime first?
Well, no, we just do it at the same time, don't we?
Okay.
Oh wait, no, the camera, do you mean?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Wait, no, you do it first because I did it first last time.
Hang on, let me get the graph chunk out. Don't look. Turn around.
I'm not looking. I'm not looking.
This is my slime. It's super overactivated, and it's got a bit of this and a bit of that and a little bit of that.
Okay, right.
I ain't nothing.
It's gonna be hard to get up. I'm just gonna put my slime down. This is my slime. I really like it. Right, you ready for the big reveal? Wait, let me just put this in.
Yeah, I kind of am, but kind of aren't.
I am super ready. I'm ready for like anything. Right, you ready?
No.
Oh wait, no, I'm having really second doubts. I feel like you chose the colour that I didn't.
Okay, just go.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
The gold ain't supposed to be in it. It was on my hands, but now it's got gold in it.
So it's just blue and clear.
What's
See,
yours?
mine's blue,
What glue?
clear, got mini foam and gold. So it's basically the same version as mine, apart from the foams are mini and it's clear glue.
Yeah, I like this.
I like
I saw the blue and I was like, yes.
Yeah, because that's what I used last time. It's such a
Yeah.
pretty colour. Are we going to swap the slimes? Let me just make sure I get my slime in
So
there.
overactivated mine though. See, I thought, clear glue, overactivate, and then it'll clear up.
Yes, glue doesn't roll with it.
Wow. Do you know what? I don't care.
Wow. Lovely ocean.
See, I was gonna add red, but then I thought I'd
I
already.
was about to add red and I was like, no, because blue. I feel like she'll do that. Right, there you go.
Because I already have a lot of red slimes.
Right, okay, so yeah.
That's the end of the video.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
If you want another one of these videos, comment down below.
We'll definitely do one.
Yeah. But yeah, these are my two slimes, a yellow and a blue.
These are my two slimes. They are both blue, unfortunately.
Mine's the yellow with foam and gold. This one's blue with gold.
Yeah.
I like my yellow one the most until my blue one melts down a bit. And then I'd like my blue one more. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.
I'll see you in the next video.
Bye! Hang on, I need to
I
get up.
can't get up and stop the camera because I've got slime.
Try to create different options. I try to create